Hello. In front of me I've got REALME GT. Today I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. Firstly, go to Settings. Next, Display and Brightness. Here we've got several options. For example, we can switch from light to dark, manually adjust brightness, or turn on eye comfort. This mode produces less blue light. We can switch auto rotate or auto screen off from 50 seconds to 30 minutes. We can set color temperature from warm to cold and screen color mode: vivid, gentle, brilliant. Also, we can turn on video image sharpener and video color enhancer. We can change our font and display size. In more, we can screen refresh rate, changed from auto to standard and high. Also, we can switch screen display to hide notch and to minimize screen in apps. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.